Hey guys, welcome to my tutorials corner. In this video we will see that how we can make a pen drive bootable using a software called Rufus. So for that I'm going to open my browser, and you can go to the Google and you can search for Rufus, and once you will search you will get the links, different links on the search results page, and you need to focus on the rufus.ie. This is the link and this is the official site of this software. There are other links as well from where you can download this software, but this is the official site of this software, and you can visit this website and you can just download this software from here. So once you are on the official sites of Rufus, you can see it is saying create bootable USB drives the easy way, and this is the UI of that software. So when you will click on the exe of this software, this UI is going to come in front of you, and once you will go to the download section, you can see that it is saying Rufus 3.5. this is the current version of Rufus, and this is the portable version of this software, which is of 1 MB as well. And these are the other versions, these are the older versions of this software. So I'm not interested in these. I'm interested in 3.5 version of this software. So I'm going to run this and I'll show you that how you can make your pen drive bootable using this software. So I'm just going to hit, and you can see the software here. On this, make sure in the device section you have selected your pen drive. In my case it is saying F, and this is of 16 GB. Make sure that you have a bigger version of size than the software which are going to save on this device. So here I have selected the device which I am going to make bootable, and in the select section you can select the software. It can be Linux, it can be Windows, or it can be anything else. So this is the Windows 7 of 64-bit I am going to select. Make sure that this is an ISO image of that software. So I have selected it, and image option, that is the standard Windows installation. Yes, we are going to do this. And partition scheme, you can see that there are two kinds of partition scheme. That first is MBR and the second is GPT. So what are these MBR and GPT? Basically MBR is stands for master boot record, and GPT which stands for GUID, partition table. And these are the different ways of storing the partitioning information on a drive, and this information includes where the partitions are going to start and begin, or in other words you can say that your operating system knows which sectors belongs to each partition and which partition is bootable. So this is why you can choose MBR or GPT for creating the partition on drive. So I'm not going to change anything inside it, and I'm going to say GPT, and the target system I am going to set it UEFI. This is just one option in it, so of course this is selected already. And here volume label, you need not to change anything into it. And the file system FAT32 or NTFS, I'm not going to change anything. I'm going to use FAT32. And the cluster side, this is also okay for me. And make sure before hitting start, you need to make sure that you have selected the particular device on which you are going to save the boot selection. So in my case I have already selected the device, my pen drive, and this is why, because once you will click on start, it is going to say that all the data on that particular device on which you are going to save that software is going to be destroyed. So make sure that you have selected the particular device. So in my case I have already selected, and I am going to hit OK, and this is going to delete all the partitions on that particular device, and after that it is going to save the boot selection software on that device. So once everything finished, you can just put the pen drive in your system, and there before starting your computer and installation, you need to go into the BIOS section, where you need to select the pen drive as a bootable device, and once that is selected, you can just restart your system again, and the software which you have saved on this device, that is the UI of that software is going to start, and you can use that UI to install that software on your system. So actually this is going to take a lot of time to create the boot selection, so I'm just going to cancel it. This is just the way to make the pen drive bootable, and you need to wait for maybe 10 to 15 minutes. So in this way you can make your pen drive bootable, and that's it from this video tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next one.